Even as the president expressed chagrin on Zaldikov's latest escape act in the Czech Republic, senators of the Republic are hopeful, even optimistic, of the fugitive lawmaker eventually being caught by the long arm. Our Luisa Erispe fills us in with more details.
Senators remain confident that former Congressman Zaldikov will be brought back to the Philippines despite confirmation he is no longer in the custody of Czech authorities. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian has described Kov's release as a temporary setback, suggesting the move may be part of Kov's calculated evasion.
This is a temporary setback. Itong si Zaldikov may criminal mind eh. Pinlano niya na ito bago pa siya mahuli. Alam niya na kung anong gagawin. So, kung criminal mind ka, meron kang iba-ibang citizenship, meron kang iba-ibang dokumento, meron kang residency card. So, in other words, pinlano niya na talaga itong sitwasyon na ito.
The senator is urging the government to utilize the warrant of arrest issued by the Sandigan Bayan to alert Interpol of Kov's fugitive status. Furthermore, he is calling on the Department of Foreign Affairs to cancel all passports held by the former lawmaker to prevent him from crossing any more international borders.
Dapat ma-alert yung Interpol, magamit na yung network ng Interpol para mahuli siya dahil meron ring warrant of arrest siya dito na issue ng Sandigan at pwedeng gamitin yan ng gobyerno para ma-alert yung Interpol at mag-issue na ng red notice.
While the failure to immediately secure Kov is regrettable, Gatchalian maintains the Department of Justice mission to the Czech Republic was not in vain, as it likely facilitated direct coordination with European authorities.
Maganda rin na personal nila makakausap yung mga authorities doon, and I'm sure they also talk to the intelligence people doon. Kailangan rin natin ng intelligence network. Kung nagkaroon sila ng chance, they could have also linked with the Interpol in Europe.
Meanwhile, Senator J.V. Ejercito is holding out terms of the former congressman providing a tell-all account on the flood control scandal.
Sana makabalik para to tell all. Gusto lang naman natin malaman talaga yung ano nangyari dito sa biggest scandal ever in our history. No, biggest corruption scandal in our history. Dapat talaga malaman natin.
So,
sino man ang masangkot dito, dapat malaman ng taong bayan.
Senator Risa Hontiveros echoed this sentiment, emphasizing Kov's return is critical to uncovering the truth for the Filipino people.
Kung arrested man siya, kung nasaan na siya ngayon, importante mapabilisan na ang proseso na umuwi siya at sana masabi na niya ang buong katotohanan din na alam niya tungkol sa flood control scam. Naghihintay yung mga kababayan natin and deserve din po nila ang buong katotohanan.
Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson believes the onus is now on the government to exert extraordinary effort to repatriate Kov. He argues this will be the ultimate test of the administration's sincerity in holding Kov and his alleged co-conspirators accountable. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.